Cardano is one of the most popular projects in crypto, and I know many of you are holding and staking ADA, but the token is underperforming since the start of this year, so the question is it worth keeping this token in your portfolio, or is it better to move the capital into another coin? Although I cannot give you financial or investment advice, I will give you my opinion, and I actually think that Cardano is poised to bring us huge gains by the end of this year. Now let's begin today's episode of Crypto Corner, the video podcast that brings you all the latest news, market analysis and tutorials that help you navigate safely in the cryptoverse. Alright, well, the Cardano blockchain ecosystem is one of the most exciting projects to currently follow, with new projects, advancements and innovations being announced every single day. Yet, the ADA token seems to be falling in popularity to some extent. It used to be in the top 5 ranking by market capitalization, but it lost this place recently, and since the beginning of this year, it keeps dropping lower. It is still in the top 10, but has been beaten by Solana and Luna, the token of Terra. Even XRP managed to jump above it, and right now it is above AVX, the token of Avalanche, but it is about to lose that position as well if it keeps dropping, because as we see, while other tokens are pumping much harder, ADA, it is kind of consolidating. It's only going sideways. It's not really doing any major pumps. So clearly, not everything that's connected to this product is falling into a favorable light in the media. In fact, it has recently become apparent that those in charge of Cardano might not be as honest as the public once thought. Charles Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, who also happens to be one of the co-founders of Ethereum, has repeatedly tweeted about how he was enrolled in a PhD program in number theory, but never finished it. However, crypto journalist Laura Shin has recently brought to light, through interviews with Hoskinson's undergraduate school and supposed PhD program, that this isn't actually the case. Hoskinson has never been involved in this PhD program, with the university having no record of him. Equally disquieting is that it appears that Hoskinson never actually finished his undergraduate degree, further calling into question why he would lie about pursuing a PhD program without actually progressing through a basic level of college. While Hoskinson has taken to Twitter to defend himself after Laura Shin produced print screens of Hoskinson's tweets, where he explicitly stated that he attended a PhD program, he has gone radio silent on this issue. It appears that the Cardano CEO is quickly trying to change the tides of conversation and to have people forget about his public discrepancies. This once again calls into question the efficiency of having public personalities at the forefront of a brand. While Hoskinson is currently under fire, Cardano is actually entering a particular period of growth. In this article by NewsBTC, which I'm going to quote, they lay a very good case for the Cardano's growth over the rest of this year. So here are a few things that to look out for over the coming months. Layer 1 ecosystems is a reference to base network and their underlying infrastructures within the blockchain. While the largest Layer 1 ecosystems are chains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, chains like Solana and Cardano have now taken shape as key players within the market and competing with Ethereum quite successfully. Binance Smart Chain also. There are a few projects that were on Ethereum which are transitioning now over to Cardano, and building in scalability, Cardano seeks to do what Ethereum does, but more effectively. This is because Cardano actually has scalability solutions built into its Layer 1 framework. While the Ethereum network can achieve scalability through Layer 2 scaling solutions, Cardano has these solutions readily made in their own infrastructure. This scalability within Cardano is known as Hydra, a system that will allow this blockchain to continually process high-throughput transactions on-chain. Considering that one of the core problems that Ethereum faces is its high transaction fees due to low transaction per second, this ability effectively positions Cardano to grow faster and more effectively than Ethereum has done. As Cardano continues to grow, this effective scalability solution to Layer 1 blockchain ensures that it has everything it needs to break through walls that previous projects have encountered and thoroughly cement itself as a leading blockchain system. Another factor that makes this such an exciting year for Cardano is that now the blockchain has everything that it needs in place, a range of dApps, marketplaces, DEXs, and projects that are being launched. Currently, there are over 500 projects on the Cardano network, touching upon everything from NFT databases to decentralized exchanges and showcasing the diversity of what can be created within this ecosystem. These new applications are the driving force of any blockchain, with the integrated dApps providing further utility for the blockchain itself. These exciting launches even span into decentralized stable asset liquidity pools, allowing users to get more out of their own cryptocurrency. Ardana, an on-chain asset-backed stablecoin protocol, is native to Cardano, facilitating the borrowing, lending, and staking of cryptocurrency within the blockchain. These exciting projects are also gaining media attention, with great ideas like this bringing further attention to the Cardano ecosystem. Ardana recently received $10 million in investments, demonstrating the extent to which people are moving to put capital into Cardano-linked systems. These projects go beyond just financial functions, with Empower being one of the most looked at projects on Cardano. This project uses DeFi to make an active difference in the world, having the potential to provide housing for 50 million people in Africa. This project has boosted the visibility and the scope of Cardano, with Empower using cryptocurrency to develop within the third world, with sites like Yahoo Finance, Coin Bureau, and Forbes all commenting on this Cardano-based project. It's no wonder that more people are hearing about this ecosystem and starting to invest. With projects like this meeting social, economic, and financial areas of expansion for Cardano, it is no wonder that people are flocking to this Layer 1 ecosystem in droves. Security and user-driven Web 3.0 initiatives are another core aspect that Cardano has prioritized over recent months that will make an impact down the line. While one of their main rivals, Solana, has recently experienced a range of hacks, Cardano's focus on safety has kept them protected at all times. Security projects have been founded that are now taking shape within the Cardano ecosystem. For example, the user data project Profiler allows individuals to control their data, selling it directly to brands instead of their personal data being taken from them and sold. This project has garnered so much attention that even the Swiss government is now a sponsor of this project. Profiler is a promising project using Cardano to create a zero-knowledge token that users can earn from sharing their data. As users can actively respond to questions and share their data with marketing managers, the brands that partner with its platform get a richer pool of information. This innovative system completely secures user data, putting the power back into the hands of the individual. Considering Web 3.0 is all over the media right now, a movement that prioritizes user power and taking back agency from the middleman services of Web 2.0, it's no wonder that projects of Profiler's scope has garnered so much attention. I dedicated a separate episode to breaking down the differences between Web 3.0 and the Web 2.0 which we currently use. Make sure that you check it out. It will pop up at the end of this video. Another point that I want to make here, world economies are having a hard time right now, with gas prices that are nearing all-time highs in the US and Europe as well. Inflation rates are reaching nearly 8% this year in the US alone, much higher in other parts of the world. And with this economic context considered, people are rushing to find fast solutions to turn the tides against inflation. Due to this, cryptocurrency staking has become more popular than ever. Crypto staking is where users put their money into a liquidity pool of a proof-of-stake protocol and receive interest on their crypto, with rates depending on the amount of time that they leave it for. Tezos is one of the most popular staking coins, but also Cardano. The ADA token is offering high interest rates for short periods of time. For example, on average, it is about 5% APY for a 15-day period staking Cardano, and exchanges like bitmex and Binance and kucoin are offering this type of soft staking on their platforms. So even for people who are not very tech savvy or don't want to be running their own nodes, these are very easy solutions to actually stake Cardano ADA token and to receive this type of staking rewards. So in conclusion, while Hoskinson, the creator of Cardano, certainly isn't having the best start of the year, the Layer 1 blockchain itself is shaping up to have a record 2022, and during this dip we're having a great chance of accumulating ADA at low prices. Not only ADA though, Solana, Ethereum, Avalanche, Polkadot as well. These are all projects with solid fundamentals and technological advances that are bound to perform really well throughout the year, and once the bull run begins, I expect them to jump by way more than 100% from here. So I am accumulating all of these and some other tokens as well, which I will discuss in the coming episodes. Make sure that you enable the notification, guys. This episode of Crypto Corner is sponsored by Bityard, an exchange that I have been using for well over a year already. They operate in 150 countries with licenses in USA, Estonia and Singapore, and provide spot and leveraged trading on numerous assets. Not only they have loads of cryptocurrencies, including some of the newest coins to hit the market, but also derivatives such as crude oil, precious metals, gold, silver and more, stocks such as Nasdaq and MiniDAO, and they offer up to 100x leverage on many of these markets. What I find very useful is that on spot trading they separate cryptocurrencies in groups like DeFi tokens, or proof of stake tokens, or tokens from the Grayscale Trust portfolio, or Binance Smart Chain tokens, and so on. This makes it easier when I want to focus only on a specific category of tokens, and they keep adding more and more assets. They have tripled the list of supported coins since I started using this exchange, so there's a much better choice already. In terms of security, they keep the majority of their funds in cold storage, with only a smaller portion in hot wallets that are used to pay withdrawals, and all withdrawals are manually approved during working hours only, so there's less risk of violations or exploits. They offer a copy trading service, so users that aren't very experienced can take advantage of those who are more skilled and make profits by copying their trades in an automated and uncomplicated way. You can go through the stats for each trader and choose what amount to allocate to them, and you can choose multiple traders to copy at the same time. You can use it on a desktop or mobile. Their app is on both Android and iOS, so it's easy to use it on the go as well. As I said, I've been using this exchange a lot throughout the past year, and their customer service team is very responsive, unlike many other exchanges where I've had to wait for days and weeks sometimes to get any response. Bityard has a live chat service, so you can find assistance pretty fast. They also offer up to $258 in various bonuses for new users, so grab the invite link from the description below to register and find out more. Alright, well, this wraps up today's episode of Crypto Corner, everyone. You are now up to date, and I hope this brought value to you. Please show your support, leave a like and a comment below, or if you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, enable notifications as well so you never miss an episode. Also, make sure that you check out the links in the description below, where you will find links to all of the crypto services that I'm personally using and that I'm recommending to you, including top exchanges, top hardware wallets, my charting tools and other services that I use to earn interest on my long-term holdings. Also my 2 ebooks. This will help you get a better understanding of crypto and to navigate safely in this industry. If you want more valuable crypto content, follow my blog crypto-corner.com, or you can scan the QR code and sign up for my bi-weekly crypto newsletter. It's free and it's packed with market analysis, news and other insights to keep you well informed. Thanks for staying until the end, and I'll see you in the next episode.